meron pang isang issue na ICI cannot touch and which the Ombudsman has jurisdiction over, yung paggamit ng mga pondo ng Office of the Vice President saka nung Education Department nung si VP Sara ang secretary. Titingnan din po ba ninyo yan? Yung mga issues, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, Ami. Sumulat sa amin ng Tindig Pilipinas, di ba? Ang sa akin dito, the recourse that we have is really to ask the Speaker to turn to us records of all the committee hearings na napag-usapan to. So we don't start from scratch. That was really intended for impeachment nung ginawa nila yan. Pero, if it constitutes an impeachable offense, then it must include a violation of law of a public officer. So responsibility rin namin yan. I know that, Ami. And it's one of my sworn duties. Kaya lang, siyempre, sasabihin naman nila, political na naman niya, politicizing.
Yes.
Pero, Ami, the law is the law. I cannot do much about it because that's the law that we all follow.
So, titingnan nyo. Paano kung mag-reconsider ang Supreme Court ng impeachment at sabihin, sige na nga, ituloy nyo na impeachment trial na yan. Itutuloy nyo pa rin ba yung sarili ninyong investigation on the Vice President?
Well, we will hold it in abeyance while the impeachment is ongoing. I think that we just respect the impeachment process. Pero in the meantime, we will preserve the records. And if there is a sense of urgency regarding both processes running side by side, well, we'll cross the bridge when we get there. Pero alam naman natin, impeachment takes center stage. And that's traditionally the way we've conducted business in this country.